boosters. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to catch nice swing positions with our Supertrend strategies, such as the ones you're seeing on the screen, and how to catch accurate ones. The reason why I'm making this video is simply because catching trends are nice, and there's less time on the chart. So this is one of the best strategies when you swing. So let's get started. Just give you guys simple rules. So the key to these strategies are in the settings. I'll show you my settings. These are my settings for the Supertrend strategy. 10 source on HL2 and multiplier at 8. Cool. So, and then the rest is quite easy. For buy signal, of course, you want to take the buy signal from the indicator straight up, no complications, and you want to follow your trade until you get go with your trade until you get a reversal. All right, go trade until you get a reversal. Let's keep going. You can see we had a nice sell here. Stop loss over the high. That's just how it works. And we can see we had a small win. That was a small win right there. Took a buy. Be very careful with ranging markets. You can see this is a ranging market. I would recommend for you to trade only when price breaks out of this trading market. You can see price eventually broke out of this range, and now we're looking for a sell, and we eventually get one right here. We're going to put your stop loss over this high, and you want to target, I believe price will still move a bit lower, but this is a string strategy. Try it out, let me know how it goes, and I'll see you in the next one.